And we're live on YouTube as well. Fire. Did anybody here catch those gold buys with me?
What?
Did anybody here catch those gold buys with me?
I did. I
Fire.
did too.
Sheesh. Oh, I
Yeah,
think
same here. Yeah, bro, it was a banger.
Mateos just joined. I think Mateos also got in it with me. Yeah, I really like the trade. I'm still bullish on gold. I truly think we're gonna be seeing 1825 area. So it's just we're low-key gonna be waiting. I'm not gonna force any trades tonight for London session. Um, so if something plays out clean, I want to see multiple confluences before getting in. I'm not just gonna get in based off just one, two confluences, or if I see breakouts, I'm gonna be extra careful. But gold seems to be having this bearish volume right now on this 4 hour time frame. We opened about like an hour ago on this 4 hour. Let's look at the daily real quick. I really like. So when I got in this trade, I'm gonna explain my trade. So let me just remove this, this, this. So when I got in this trade, right, we were seeing this weekly candle flipping at the moment. It had rejected the sells heavily, and then we just flipped bearish. We flipped bullish. I then saw potential in wick filling this candle at right over here, this previous candle. And on the daily, it was also looking clean. If we go to look at the daily, look at how we reject the sells completely. We start to have this candle start to flip bullish as well. So it was pretty nice. And right now it's looking like a pretty clean retest. We just want to see this daily candle close above these previous wicks before executing on any buys again. So let's look at the 4 hour time frame. The 4 hour time frame is also it has like this no trade range area right around here. So as long as it's trading above it, because look, right? What we want to see is we saw a breakout, break and retest over here, breakout, right? Now we want to see after every breakout, we want to see price start to form a range, retest a little bit. It creates its range. As you can see, it fakes out sellers completely, right? Picking up sellers all the way at the bottom to fake them out and just have price come up. We had three white soldiers, which is a candlestick pattern that I learned from Dollar. He explains it pretty well in his course. When you see these three white soldiers, we start to get a little good bullish momentum, especially in the 4 hour time frame. So now, this is when I executed, when we started to execute. I think it was this one, was it?
It
No.
was right at the break of the previous 4 hour high.
Yeah, it was right here then. So then we
1800. 18000.
That was the 1800, like right around here, right around
Right
here.
above that high, yeah, right there.
And so we close above the range. So now, as long as we start to trade above this range that we have set up here, we should be good, and we could possibly enter again on gold above at when we start to break this area right around here. Cleaner entry for me. I'd probably be looking around 1810, so I can get in at an even number. That would be like an area where I would possibly be looking to re-enter on gold. And as long as we can keep trading how we're trading right now on gold, I'm still bullish. You know, look at the 1 hour time frame. Same thing. We have a clean range here, so we want to see gold form another range two area right around here. Break out of that range two area, and then we can start potentially get into trades. But right now, let's see. Gold could possibly right now it's risky, you know. We can see gold come back into test this bottom of the range and rejects or continue to the upside, or maybe we see gold test 1785 again. But overall, higher time frames, I'm bullish. You know, I'm gonna stick with my trend. Last week I took, I want to say like one or two counter trends trades. So I traded against the trend twice or once. So I want to try to limit myself from doing that. And obviously, if you're gonna do it, make sure you have multiple confluences to your favor. Try to, have a good stop loss, managing risk always, because at the end of the day, your trend is your friend. You know, so we gotta be careful. See what GJ's doing. Gold's just ranging at 1800 level. That was pretty clean. Holy crap. Hit our take profit 3, hit 90 pips, came back down to almost entry. I mean, if you're still in this position and you have stops to break even, you're still in profit. So you're about to get stopped out, I guess, at break even. But also trailing your stop loss would have been good, especially in this case when you were hitting TP1, TP2, TP3. All this bullish push. I was pretty optimistic that we were gonna hit 1810. We didn't hit 1810, but I was able to secure profits at 1807. So a little bit below TP3. And let's see. Let's go to GJ. 166. GJ's looking. What do you guys think about GJ? GJ's like in this.
I think that we might leave the correction phase now, though. We've been correcting to the downside for a little bit, but notice how like the impulses to the downside are kind of dying down.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
The market is pricing in.
What's up, Eric?
Yeah, I think that we
better
if we start to like break some lower high structures, bro, like we're clearly making lower lows and lower highs, right? So like if we break like 167, start trading above like 167 area, I think we can easily fucking fly again.
Eric, you sent your chart here, I see.
Yeah, I sent for gold. Like, I'm sorry, like, I know you're looking for buys, but everybody gonna be buying here. Everybody gonna be get trapped, and
I'm not looking for anything at the moment. I'm just waiting. I'd rather wait and see what gold does.
Yeah, I'm just giving my perspective. Like, we're already priced in that prices are going up and stuff. People are spending.
It's actually pretty valuable.
Everything has already. Remember, the market priced in ahead of time. So when the news come out, the market is looking for what's next coming out. So you just gotta. So if you basically know the interest rate is gonna go up, let's say like next week, the market most likely gonna start pricing it starting this week. That's why you're seeing right now the pound gaining some strength, because we do have federal fund rates for the pound next week. So investors, they're betting their money that the interest rate is gonna go up. So they're supporting the pound to go up. But for gold, like, see, that's what I'm saying. Sometimes, like, I'm pretty sure you're looking for sales, probably got stopped out. It doesn't mean like it's not valid, like the bias overall, you know. Yeah. We could still just want to push up a little bit, accumulate more orders, and then from that area we could possibly see a reaction. You basically need momentum.
For me to take sales, though, on gold, bro, it would have to start trading below like 1780, bro.
Yeah, I understand.
At least 1780.
It makes sense.
But
I'm just betting my money, you know. Like, I always been trading.
I think the full trend will switch at like 1725 though. Like, cause notice we've triple bottomed all the way at the bottom at 1615, rejecting the downside 3 times, failing to break that area at 1615, 1620 area. And then we just started creating higher highs and higher lows. So what I would want to see before taking sells is for market structure to switch. If price starts to break, you know, a higher low formation, which the higher low on this trend is really 1728. But if you're looking at the lower time frames, like the hourly, you can tell that this trend that we have going up from 1730 to 1810, it's showing me, okay, price is creating higher highs and higher lows. Now, if, let's say, are you guys still here with me?
Okay, yeah, we're listening.
Yeah, we're here.
Bye. Now, let's say we start to trade below 1790. You could sell it there too as well. I like that trade a lot. I'm not saying that the sells are not valid, but I think the impulses are coming more to the upside right now, bro. I don't know.
And it's for a reason, bro. Trust me, it's for a reason.
Yeah, it could fake out.
Just think about it this way.
If it's gonna fake out, it's gonna be at this level right now.
What's up, Sean?
It's sitting out.
It's gonna fake out.
You don't think it can push up a little bit higher?
Yeah, we can, but we already broke those previous highs. The previous highs were at 1808. We broke above it on the daily, and now we're rejecting it on the daily, right? So think about how many buyers got in at 1808, thinking that that was the breakout.
Yeah.
Now they're all getting faked out, meaning their money's liquidated, and it's gonna pick direction, bro. We just gotta wait.
Yeah.
Waiting for
Like I low-key want to see consolidation too. I don't want to see just I want to see a range,
like some
before,
sort
a
of
sell-off.
range,
Yeah.
and then trading based off that. That's what I think. But being patient, bro. It's what, Sunday?
Yeah, it's Sunday.
Yeah.
Is there news tomorrow?
Well, we could see. Look how we're coming down here, though. That's why I also like some sells at 1790, bro. 1793 zone, all the way down to like 1782 for 100 pips. But looking at bro, that's just a fucking fake out, bro. Like it faked out all the buyers. But not JP. JP was early, which is
facts.
good. Yo, you were early as fuck, bro. Market open and you were like, yo, I think I'm gonna set some biceps.
It's cause, bro. So you guys remember that those gold sells that I called on Thursday night? Was it? Like it was like Thursday around like it was like that London session, New York session crossover. So I never ended up getting Thursday night. I sent it for Asian session, and then my phone died and I couldn't manage my trade, so I never put my stop loss. My stop loss did hit right on that trade, but my trade was still open, and because I never modified my trade, it never closed me out. Luckily, I was only in two lots. It ended up going 50 pips in drawdown, so like it didn't affect me much. I think I saw like probably little less than 1% drawdown, so I was okay with that. When I woke up the next day, and my phone, I would finally have my phone again. Markets were already closed, so now I was like, damn, like I ended the day like having this position open, which I did not want to do. So that's why like I kind of when the market opened on Sunday, I had my phone ready to close my trade so I can get out of the trade, negative or positive. I just didn't want to be in the trade anymore. It ends up being that I was up like
those spreads be
$960.
widening out crazy on the opening.
Yeah.
Yeah, facts. Look, one time I had a freaking buy stop set, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna hold this buy stop, and if it triggers me at open, great, bro. That shit ripped up like freaking 100 pips. It didn't give me time to close, and it came all the way back down and hit my stop loss.
Wow.
At open.
Yo, those opening, yeah, you can't fuck with them.
But no, it was just such a weird ass opening. But I also caught one of my biggest trades at open, which was an 800 pip nut. It was like last year, bro. It was 800 pips and 800 pips on gold in like 5 minutes.
Yo,
that shit was insane.
I just put water all over my computer. Holy fuck! Are you guys still there?
Yeah.
Yo, damn.
GJ's ripping. Shit's not waiting for nobody.
Yeah, I hope we get a pullback.
I'm telling you, bro. GJ is one of those pairs. Like, he just wants to find support. He just fucking rips.
Bro, I haven't traded GJ in so long, bro, and I really don't even.
It's actually been trending crazy.
Yeah.
Like, those shorts were so easy. Like the last couple weeks, they were just very clear.
Yeah, they were nice, but
and then right now we start seeing the shift.
Yeah, I took sells at 165, 450. 165, 450 on that first drop through that area.
That was a nice area.
I wanted to catch it at 165, 900, like 950 area, but didn't give me that entry.
Oh, look at gold melting.
Gold is melting, yeah. I'm telling you, bro, 1793.
So what, Eric? You're bearish. You're more bearish on gold on the shorter time frames right now.
Right now, I don't think sells are ready. Like, yeah, we could solve on the lower time frame. That's cool, whatever. I'm just more worried about just on the higher time frame. Are we able to maintain the bearish structure? Are we as sellers are actually able to maintain? That's just my main key, Like, we still at the beginning of the week, so anything can happen right now, But I do still see upside, a little bit potential, just a little bit, just to kind of give more buyers hope that price is gonna go up, trap more orders, accumulate, and then see a nice sell-off.
Facts.
Like I basically don't play from the first reaction I see. It's just how I see it.
Put a one in the chat if you're in here. I want to know if who's in here, who's in YouTube. Damn, 57 people. Sheesh. Some late.
Wait, where you been, dog?
I've been chilling, bro.
You been ghost.
Yeah, I know.
You went back to the Matrix? Damn.
Nah, never that.
Damn, bro.
You got a business.
Okay. Go ahead.
YouTube. Yo, honestly, thank God to technology and all this like advancement. You know, like now I'm just like just speaking into a microphone.
It made us more lazy.
Eric's like, that's why you're chubbier, JP.
Telling you, bro.
Alright, gang. I'm gonna actually call it a night here, bro. This is the type of vibes I've been on recently.
Damn, really?
Awesome.
Yeah.
See how it
Yeah,
is.
I'm
Buy
gonna
stop,
call
sell stop is crazy.
it. Bro, that shit's been hitting. That shit's been hitting, let me tell you.
Why you say it and go about your day?
Yeah. It's so simple.
I don't think it's a good strategy if somebody like, you know, got a lot of shit going on, don't got much time. Like,
Bro, that's the only reason why I'm fucking using it right now. I really haven't even been like on the charts like how I used to be, like every night, you know?
yeah.
And then like I don't even care, like if I trade it every day, bro, like I hope all you guys get to fucking a level where you don't need to trade every fucking day, you know?
Takes a lot of pressure. More income takes a lot of pressure off your chest. You make
it look like you ain't gonna.
Oh, that was your video, dollar.
Yeah. But what I'm gonna do is I'm literally going to continue doing my sell stops and buy stops, and
Look at Rue ripping it.
Bro, you know, like, why not, you know?
facts, it's working, bro. The reason why I did it is because I looked back at my old trades, bro, and I used to just trade like that, bro. So I wouldn't stress if we're ranging, I wouldn't do anything. If the level doesn't hit, then we don't get in a trade.
Yeah.
You get
I mean,
me?
I've always said it, like, eventually in trading, it gets boring. Like, I understand, like, you do make a lot of money and you should be more grateful, but it gets boring. It just gets boring eventually. Like, you want to do something else. You always want to go after something else, like, you know, trading. Like, I mean, in the beginning, it is hard because you obviously, you know, but once you see more money from the market, you just automatically just adapt. You always want to, it's the same shit another day. Go after.
That's pretty much true. I mean, I don't know. It shouldn't feel like a job too. Like at the end of the day, it's what we do and it's our career and all. But like, it shouldn't feel like you have to do it.
Yeah, facts.
You know, there's nothing better than just like whether you're waking up or whether you're getting out of work or whether you're like finishing your hobbies or whatever, and then just hopping on the computer and like actually enjoying it. Like, so that's, I think.
Bro, we literally spoke about this. One of the reasons why, like, most new traders fail because you have a financial situation. It's just a lot of pressure. You know, you're chasing after money, and you're coming from an employment mindset. You're switching to risk off, where you weren't taking any risk at your job. You're just getting paid, and you're switching to taking risk in the market. That's just it's just gonna take time. Like, literally, it must take you 6-7 months to actually adapt.
Yeah, I mean, when people like ask me, "Oh, does it get boring?" I wouldn't say it gets boring, bro. Like, I think it just gets like easy. Like, it's just like you stop stressing about stupid shit. Like, you stop stressing about winning every fucking day, you know? Because when you're in the game for so fucking long, you just know that there's gonna be losing days, and you start to get numb to them, bro. And then when you're numb, that's when you just start fucking leveling up, bro. Because now you can take a trade and understand that every single trade has a risk. And then you're good, bro. Like, with that mentality. And it's not like I have to trade and fucking, if not, I'll be broke. Like, You guys gotta like grab your trading profits and set yourself up outside of trading to then, take that stress off your trading. Like when I was first coming up, I was putting way too much fucking stress on my trading. Like I was tripping about so much things. Like I need to pay this, I need to pay that, I need to make X amount of
Fuck that shit. Full margin it. 70 lot it.
No.
Yeah.
You feel
I
me?
mean, short term, yeah.
Yeah, but that's the thing. Like, and then me chasing that money is what set me back for a while. Instead of me just looking at, okay, if I can make X amount of dollars at the end of the month, I was paying attention how much money do I have to make every day. And when people say, oh, you need to make $100 a day, it's not, oh, you have to make $100 a day every day. It's you have to average $100 a day with losses, with everything. You get me? So a lot of people say, oh,
Yeah.
this is how you make $500 a day trading Forex. I don't mean making that every single day. I mean it averaging that every single day. So
I mean, bro, to be honest with you, like, I feel like the most important part is like it's irrelevant how much you make. To be honest with you, it's how much you keep.
Yeah,
bro, like you could literally make 100K and you can lose it in literally like 2-3 trades.
That's why
human nature thing.
That's why we always emphasize, like, you gotta fucking withdraw, bro. Like, a lot of people think that the money in the account is made and they're adding it up when they're trying to keep count of how much they actually have. But it's like, bro, that money's still in the account, bro. I've blown accounts in literally
accounts
like,
go and come.
Bro, I've blown accounts, big accounts, when I thought that, that money was made, and I was already making plans for the money. But don't make plans for the money until you have it in your bank account.
Ooh.
Oh my god, that's a good one.
Oh,
I remember
no.
lots of times
We all
in the
experienced that.
past.
No, for sure. No, that's some real shit.
But it's the truth, bro. And new traders just don't understand that shit. They just see everybody with the fucking. They see everyone with the Lambo or with whatever fucking car they have, and then they expect it to have that in a year. But it's like looking at those people are what's holding you guys back, because then you're not grateful for the small wins that you're having, for the little like goals that you're reaching, that you're achieving. You get me?
Dude, I remember the penny loss. I used to throw penny loss. Shit was very sucks. But I was more focused on how I can be more right than wrong. So my focus wasn't on how much capital I have, because I felt like that's irrelevant. It's irrelevant how much capital you have if you don't know how to trade and master your psychology.
Yeah. And that's what I'm saying. People think, okay, I blew a 5K account, so let me put 10K in it. It's going to change my trading. Or I blew a 50K challenge, let me try a 100K challenge. It does not change your trading. The amount of capital has nothing to do with your strategy. So why do you feel like when you have a bigger account, it's going to make it better? Like, it's not gonna. It's not gonna. If you can't do something with $100 account, you can't do something with $1 million account. You get me? Which is a lot of people think that, okay, I'm going to trade $1 million now and my trading's going to change. If anything, it's going to put more pressure on your trading, and then you're going to see things that, okay, damn, now I'm trading $100,000. Now you're seeing bigger drawdown. You're looking at bigger red numbers. You're looking at bigger blue numbers. How are you going to deal with that? You get me? That's why it has to be a slow progression up. Which is why I think when you're trading like a funded account, it gets a little bit like you get into fantasy land, bro, because you're starting off with 100K.
We already know how the game. You already know how it works.
So like,
what a smart strategy.
And then I'm trading, like when I first started, I was trading 100K account, but I didn't even know how to trade $100 account. You know? So it's like, go back. Don't be afraid to take a step back and then look at and start small, bro, and build.
Everybody want to be the hero. Everybody want to be the hero.
Small, bro, and it's fucking sad. But at the end of the day, bro, we're not special, bro. That's how I see it.
Exactly.
Everybody looks at me or looks at JP and they like, oh my god, bro, how the fuck does this guy do it? But bro, at the end of the day, we just fucking took shit slow. We took it slow. We didn't rush the process. We didn't fucking beat ourselves down when we're having a losing month, or we knew that that's part of the game, and we're just gonna keep riding with it and keep shooting our shot. Nope, you're gonna miss every single shot you don't take.
That's like my biggest favorite quote, bro. Because if I wouldn't have taken so many shots, bro, I'd be talking about regrets. You know,
Oh my god, yeah, beautiful. It's a great way to put it
I'm
too.
not here to, I'm not here to sit about, talking about regrets and whatnot and what could have been and should have been. Fuck that. It is what it is. You know.
The worst thing as a trader is to make it and get lucky. Gambling. That's the worst thing.
That's
Yeah.
why. That's why I think
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
important.
because oh my, that's a great
Worst.
fucking.
That's the bro. I'm literally telling you that's the worst thing. Like,
That's
you
a
will
great.
literally
That's a great
blow.
saying
It
because
doesn't matter how much you make, you will blow it all.
people would then think people who get lucky in trading and they make like let's say 80K in a month and they just fucking held the buy from the freaking absolute bottom, like when gold was trending. Like those people aren't profiting right now, when the market isn't as trending and isn't as, easy to trade. And then guess what they're doing? They're every buy they take, they're trying to hold it to catch another 80K, and then they're gonna get fucking drilled. And then they're up fucking 20K, 15K, and then they don't even want to take that. Because they're always going for the home run, bro. I always say, stop going for the home run fucking play, bro. Go for the regular fucking plays, bro. The plays that are going to be there long term. That's what I think, so. But everybody has their own opinion. A lot of people have their own style. And I'm not here to knock it. Just fucking do your thing. But at least go back and review. When shit gets hard, review your trades. A lot of people get embarrassed to look back at their losses. They're like, you know what? Nah, I'm not going to look. I already know I lost fucking 8 trades this week. But it's like, that's what's going to help you not lose 8 trades the next week. So why the fuck aren't you doing it?
That's very true.
Because they don't get it.
Get it.
Caesar.
Yo.
What up, Caesar?
What up?
I haven't seen you in a while. I know you. I see you popping. I see you popping in every now and then, but you barely talk.
Yeah, bro. The Wisconsin got me.
You're not in the raw anymore.
I've been fighting blue.
Yes.
Now what?
I'm in fighting blue across the bridge.
Oh.
You know where?
When did you
bridge.
move there? I didn't even realize. We barely even
I
talk.
got here like a month ago.
I know where you live. It's a nice area. I like that area.
Right in front of Ruben.
Oh yeah, I know where. Are you still trading crypto and you're still holding all those coins?
Yeah, I still got my crypto.
I know you had like a shit ton of like Shiba and Doge and all these other coins. And
yeah, I got like three machines right now, mining too. Mining ain't doing shit.
How did this thing?
Mining is not good right now.
Yeah.
Once you learn, it becomes life-changing. Grand rising, fellas. How did his signals be slapping then?
Yo, dog, the crypto.
I heard Duty's still holding on to XRP by a string.
I'm holding on to everything, bro. Unfortunately.
Unfortunately.
When everybody's scared to buy, you buy. When everybody's scared to buy,
I've been buying little by little, but not as crazy as I used to buy.
He gambles, bro. I mean, what's your favorite gambling? Like, would you say it's blackjack or hot dollar?
Blackjack, yeah, definitely.
Blackjack.
Blackjack is lit. That shit made me a bag like 3 days ago.
Is that Snipes? Is that Snipes?
Yes, sir.
What up,
Yes,
Snipes?
What's up?
Snipes, when does your computer get here?
Dude, I don't fucking know, dude. It's fucking delayed, dude.
I think somebody stole it.
No, dude, don't say that. It's delayed.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna find the little kid who's down to like game and stuff, and we're gonna wait for the UPS truck to get to your crib. And we're just gonna take your package. We're just gonna take your computer.
Motherfucker.
Booty.
Yo.
Congrats on the withdrawal.
Oh, exactly.
Well deserved. Well deserved.
People only want to sell courses now. That's what it. I mean, I don't know. I haven't really seen anybody promoting courses. I just think it's important that you have a course
Bro,
for
who
yourself.
gives a fuck? Like, to be honest with you, who gives a fuck? Like, I'm very confused. Like, people care so much about, oh, he's selling course. Like, at the end of the day, he's not gonna give you something he worked his ass off for years, losses, for free. Like, what the fuck? Anything free is not valuable.
Facts.
I don't care if you care about, if you're trying to help people. Like, that's all irrelevant. Like, you're not gonna give something that's valuable free. Simple.
Do you guys know Bullseye? I don't know him. I never met him personally. I think Dollar knows him, but I never hung out with him. I don't know why people always would assume that I hung out with him or that I know him. I just kept hearing things of him, and that's it.
Bro, he's US 30 king, bro. You know?
But what's the deal? What's the deal with Bullseye? Why does this guy keep asking this?
I don't know. I don't know. Must be a good signal provider. I don't know.
I mean, he
Shout out
was
to
he was a
him.
cool dude. I mean, I don't see anything wrong with it.
I don't see anything wrong with anybody in the market. But who I
I
was,
honestly don't give a fuck.
the only thing I see wrong in the market, like the only person who I see wrong was who I was yesterday, and you know who I'm trying to be tomorrow is better than who I was yesterday. That's it. I'm only focused on me, myself, and I. How can I be better than yesterday? How can my course be better than? I don't even have a course, so you know. I'm actually wanting to make a course. I want to make a course, but for myself only. I'm not interested in really selling it. It's just for myself, so I can have, you know, something to relate to. Whenever I'm having those losing streaks, I can go back to my course and, you know, restudy my course. Whenever I'm, you know, having win streaks, maybe I go back to my course and see if I'm doing everything that I'm supposed to be doing and not just getting lucky. You know, I think it's important to have a course so we can have a foundation. That is our foundation as a trader. You know, like when you build a house, you have a blueprint. You know, so the same thing with trading. When you have your style of trading, you should have a blueprint printed.
You build your name, your brand.
And then if people are really interested in my course, and you know, maybe I'll consider offering it. But I'm just not. Right now, I don't know. There's been a lot of things that has had me open up my mind a lot and be thankful. And I've just been wanting to be here on YouTube, make videos, and that's all I really care about. You know, like just trading. I have some goals that I want to finish before the year ends, so I still got time to finish those goals.
Like at the end of the day, people are just too focused on other people, bro. And like, I think that if you're truly rich mentally, you know, because there's rich financially and then there's rich mentally, bro. Like, I don't give a fuck about anyone's shit, what they got, what they did. I don't give a fuck, dude, because if what's that gonna do for me, bro? Like, it does nothing for me. So why am I gonna try and go cause some fucking beef or talk shit about someone else when they're probably just trying to grind?
Yeah.
You know, like,
just respect people's hustle. That's it. Like, you know, it doesn't matter who.
No,
it doesn't matter who we know. It doesn't matter who they know. It doesn't
like
matter who's who. It doesn't matter what they do and what they're doing. Like, just
a bunch of fucking cloud chasers, bro. I don't need clout.
I think I can say everybody here on this Zoom live is just focusing on being better. We're all just focused on ourselves. I think that's why we all kill it. You know? That's why I think this is the best gang. Like, it's either this gang or no gang for me. That's the way I see it. I wouldn't want to trade with anybody else but you guys. So.
Facts, bro. I feel the same way.
I think that's what I'm saying. Like, even like the students of the people get so involved in like drama and shit, and they're like, oh, what's up with these people now, or what do you think about this guy, and now they're bringing them into their life. Like, don't bring none of that negative shit in your life, bro, because guess what you're gonna fucking feel? You're gonna feel negative when you do shit like that, even subconsciously. You might think it's cool talking shit, you might think it's fucking blah blah blah, but you're just a negative person at that point, because positive people don't fucking look at other people. Simple.
Big facts.
They just focus on them. So who's here to focus on them? Put one in the chat.
look, there's
How
one.
many people we got, JB? 59, 60.
I think 60 people, 24 likes. Guys, thank you everybody who liked it up, by the way. It actually helps us out a lot. You know, that's like your way of saying thank you for being here. And that's what motivates us, like being here. Not just the likes, but just everybody popping
somebody
up.
said, nah, it's not being negative, it's reality. I mean, bro, at the end of the day, if you choose to be that way, Isaac,
he said it's reality. What the fuck?
He's in, like, this is what I mean, bro. They're like
Bro,
in denial.
what the fuck? Oh my god.
They're in denial of it. Doctor, where's Nate? I don't know. FX Nate? I don't know. He's probably doing his own thing right now.
I thought he was gonna. I thought he was gonna hit us with some joke. Yo, what? Guys, look, the Nightbot just sent a link. You guys should get your Freedom Trading merch. If you guys fuck with the sweaters, look at this shit.
Yo, facts.
I'm not. I promise you guys, this is not a paid affiliation. It's just, you know, I really fuck with it. Look, it's got cotton, so, you know, for all my upstate people, you guys can be like nice and cozy. You know, it's got a hoodie so you can cover your ears and your head if you know, don't have any hair. I know it gets a little cold sometimes, so hoodie will protect you.
Should I put my hoodie on?
And it's even got a sweater pocket so you can cuddle with your girl's hands. You know, you guys can play handsies inside. So, Dollar, I want my fee.
You say you want what?
I want my paid advertisement.
Your commission?
I just sold like 10 hoodies, I bet. But yeah, it's pretty dope merch. You guys can make a cup, you guys can do a whole bunch of shit if you fuck with it.
But yeah, guys, I'm gonna call it, bro. Have a good night. If you're in the VIP, just expect probably some buy stops or sell stops. I'm just waiting for a range to form on gold, and then we'll see from there. But guys, I fucking love you guys. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Bueno,
JP,
nice talking to you.
Peace out, Dr. Snipes. Peace out.
Peace out, Dollar. Have a good night.
I'll be back, boys. I'll be back soon. Don't trip.
You're gonna go do a little. Oh, he gets it like this. Let me set up my ranges, my new ranges.
I already know Dr. Snipes is looking for sell. Don't you? I already know Snipes.
You're learning, brother. You're learning. I actually am. But let's see what happens here. I'm waiting for a bigger pullback.
What are you looking at, GJ, or are you gonna look at EJ? What's EJ doing?
Yeah, GJ.
What's GJ
doing? GJ right now.
Oh, look, the GJ. You think this 1 hour is gonna flip bearish?
For sure.
I've been waiting. I've been low-key like peeping it to see if it flips or not.
I think it is. But let's see. If I want to take buys, I would probably take them a little bit higher.
Yo, the Nightbot just deleted.
Watching.
The Nightbot just deleted Dr. Dollar's message.
What did it say?
I don't know. Let me see if I can see it. Love you guys. Yo, why is the Nightbot deleting? Oh, the Nightbot just timed them out. That's what I'm saying. This Nightbot's a little crazy. Look, somebody's beefing with the Nightbot. Let me set up my safe buys. Risky buys would be here.
Dude, I don't know. I'm gonna wait for a deeper retracement here. For now, I'm just waiting.
Just waiting. Just a patient trader waiting for candle closure.
Need it there.
In my no trade range, right over here.
Bro, I can't wait to get my PC so I can stream New York. I know there's hella people waiting for me over there, bro. But it's like, my computer literally, like, it's fucking glitching. It's doing a whole bunch of shit. It's like literally like dying. So it's very risky to go live like that.
Can you imagine?
No, dude, like, fuck. It's been doing so much extra shit lately. So you gotta wait for mine, and then everything's gonna be back to normal. And bro, like, London has me fucked, bro. I woke up early today and like I'm already tired.
You just woke up right now?
No, I woke up early. Like I've been up all day today. And like, bro, like I'm tired from being up. So, like I woke up early. I woke up like at 9 a.m.
Damn, what you do?
And I went to sleep like at fucking 4. Like, mess, dude. I had an appointment.
Oh, I remember. How'd it go? Everything good, brother?
Yeah, everything's fine, dude.
Yes, sir. New York been missing. Oh, I lost my voice this weekend, bro. I hope I recover my voice this weekend soon.
Did you go out this weekend?
No, I lost my voice. I got a barbecue that I did with my family and shit.
Sheesh.
No, I don't know. I haven't really been feeling like going out. I've been like low-key tired. I've been like Saturday night or Friday night. I think I was looking forward to just like kicking it back in my couch and just watching a movie or something. I barely get to watch movies, so every little chance I get for a little free time, like I'll just put a movie on and I don't even finish it.
I'm really bad at watching movies, bro. I haven't watched movies and I feel like it's healthy though. Like sometimes, whenever you should just sit down at home and just have just time for yourself.
Oh yeah, definitely healthy. Open a little bottle of wine, fucking get some cheese or ham and just fucking lay back. I don't like how GJ's coming back into this like rangy area.
I'm looking at that too, bro. The 4 hour is pretty bullish. So I don't know, dude. I'm thinking twice about getting into this trade, just because I feel like that 30-minute could actually wick fill.
It's just really choppy. It's Sunday. I don't know how I feel.
Yeah, we gotta see what happens here. One hour doesn't have a bottom wick on EJ.
I guess so we're also entering like this risky buy area too.
And we're on GJ?
Yeah. Like you're saying.
No, I don't know if I'll take buys up there.
Like
if anything, I'll wait for it to go up there and reject that area and then start coming down to take sells. Because I feel like we are losing momentum here for the buys, but I do feel like we could wick fill. So short term it could be like a little bullish, but I feel like long term you start seeing some rejections here. Eric, what do you think about the charts long term?
For what pair?
For GJ.
GJ is very interesting.
Very.
I low-key think we can see some bullish short term coming in, and then bearish overall.
Yeah.
But for now, like I do have buy positions. I'm not gonna lie. Like I had some buys at Asian session. We saw because it was very interesting how we closed on Friday. How like we cleared out. Actually, let me just send my chart. I send it on the Zoom. So yeah, I mean, I do have buys, but I'm looking to hedge my position. So I'm basically just buying just because I'm looking to sell at a better area, and my buy is gonna cover my basically how many chances I take loss, because you know how it is. It's not like your first entry is gonna be right away and it goes in your favor. Sometimes you gotta give it a couple of tries before it plays out. Because we can't time the market, but we can know the overall where price wants to go, but we can't time it. So yeah, that's basically what I'm seeing on DJ. I do see us clearing out those highs and respecting those highs from where I got the zone mark. Respecting it, because I mean, you can say there's a lot of liquidity sitting there, but I think that's a protected liquidity that shouldn't be swept if we want to continue lower. I think we'll run those highs, grab all these orders, and sweep down and continue lower, because we do have a lot of downside potential. But I think that, I mean, that buys, I do feel like it's gonna go higher, just because, like, I'm not convinced of how much volume the selling pressure. Doesn't seem like there's a lot of selling momentum with it. When I say selling volume, as far as like,
I think orders. We're losing some. I think we're losing momentum with bearish candles. I see. I don't know. I'm more bullish on GJ right now, but
yeah, that's the reason why I wanted to capitalize on the upside, just because the price wants to actually goes higher. Because I do understand that we do have next week for the pound the interest rate. So. And their CPI, so that should be very interesting.
This 1 hour
What's gonna happen this week?
This 1 hour seems like it does not want to flip. So, and this has no bottom wick. I think. Look. Oh, it does. Very tiny. Surprise.
Yeah, we'll see what happens, but it really depends, like, you know, because I mean, right now we are breaking structure to the top side. We're seeing that kind of shift on the lower time frame, and it's getting priced in on the higher time frame. But are we going to be able to maintain it to go higher? It's just the real question it comes down to. Because we can easily pull back a little bit lower where I entered. It was like 165, 150 where I have my order is. We can easily pull back to where I entered and go up higher, because GJ does that. Sometimes you'll be 50 pips in profit, pulls back to your entry, and it will swing back 100 pips to the upside. So you got to understand, like, each pair behavior, you know, how it reacts, how the market reacts, a certain trend, you know, where you at. You always gotta, like, the main key is you just gotta know where you are in the market, you know. That's all it comes down to. Like, you know, if you're selling, are you selling at a good area? If you're buying, are you buying at a good area that supports, you know. It's just all it comes down to, you know, like. The buys were very clear to me. I mean, look, if you see right there where you got marked your zone, we sweeped out those lows on Friday. We rebounded and we retested. It was just a very clean setup. Like, there's no reason why anybody shouldn't have seen that buy if you were at Asian session. Like, you should have already known that you're looking for buys since the weekend when you're doing out your Sunday analysis. So just how we cleared out these lows, triggered some buying pressure. Bounced back up, retested, and we broke highs right now. So it just all comes down to, is the 4 hour going to close bullish or bearish?
I mean, if I'm gonna take buys on GJ, I would like to see it close in this area, in this range area.
I mean, think about it. Right now, we're approaching like a resistance, so it's going to be a lot of noise at that area. A lot of people are going to place orders around that area, so you just want to wait and see what happens. Because, yeah, a lot of people are seeing wicks. They could just end up selling and expecting prices to go lower, but at the end of the day, you just got to understand that the market is not going to make it very clear where price wants to go. It's going to play around. It's going to take out people, take out their money before it makes a certain move, you know.
I'm sorry, boys. I'm back.
Yo, Snipes is coming and going.
Yeah, dude. Fuck.
Yo, Snipes, we should make a YouTube video when you get your new monitor. Fucking just go to a shooting range and shoot your old computer.
Nah, I'm still gonna use it. I'm gonna use it until it fucking dies.
We can't hear you, Snipes.
Yo, Snipes.
We can't.
Shake.
Yeah, he's been talking the whole time.
We can't hear you.
What?
Bro, you're fucking with me.
Snipes.
You don't hear me?
Turn it off and turn it back on.
I think you definitely hear me.
Oh, right now I can't hear you.
You can't hear me?
Right now I can't hear you.
motherfucker.
Trolled you.
No, you didn't. I can see you if I'm talking or not.
But I always have to put chapstick on. If not, my lips get chapped. That's pretty annoying.
Let's see what's going on here on GG.
Yeah, gold is looking bad. Bro, I'm literally telling you, Dr. Gold, bro. I know, like, I just know it sells like I'm convinced. Like, doesn't matter how many tries I gotta give it. I just know that it's gonna come, and the sales is gonna come. Even in the stock market, is gonna cut that downside we're gonna have right now soon. Is gonna be massive. I feel like that's just gonna be the move that's gonna kind of break everything. But those buys you called earlier, they're nice buys.
Yeah, I got it. Fucking.
You know, like, I mean, you were scalping, right? You weren't really looking to kind of. You're basically targeting the high, right?
I was looking to secure 1810. It was
Yeah, basically the high, the last high.
Yeah, I was just wick filling the previous candle, so it was more a scalp.
When did you see the setup?
So I had around 8 p.m., 7 p.m. around there. I don't know when 7 p.m., 8 p.m. So when I started looking at the trade, and then I liked it, and then I saw we were kind of in no trade range, and then I was like, I kind of really like this trade, and then I took it before I even sent the signal. And then yeah, I was pretty confident that we were gonna wick for that area, and I was aiming for 1810. We never really hit 1810. We hit like 1809.88, and then just came back down. But it was a nice 1-2-3 trade.
Yeah, it was a nice play.
Like if it were a 1-1, I probably wouldn't have called it, you know. But I was pretty confident that I was gonna hit my TP3, and I was even confident we might have hit TP4 and stuff, you know. But I closed like at 1807 either way, so.
That was okay, a nice exit too.
Yeah, it was.
I think how long did that trade take for it, like, to actually go in profit? Like an hour or two?
I'll tell you right now, bro. I'll tell you exactly.
I'm pretty sure I did see in the morning dollar was pumping up.
I'm actually curious too. I don't know off the top of my head. I think it was like an hour, but I could be wrong. Let me see. I called the trade at 6:57 p.m. TP1 smash an hour later at 8:03.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
And then TP2 hit 30-minute, an hour and a half later. And then TP3 hit like 3 hours later.
Yeah.
Damn, this daily really rejected the buys like that. If we close,
We've seen gold.
if we close bearish, we close bearish. I see gold hitting 1785 area again, tapping it. But we're kind of creating this daily range too. I don't know, as you guys can see, we're in this daily on a daily range. So we want to see the daily candle first. Choose a side, choose a direction in the market. Once it's chosen a direction in the market, we want to see candle closures above or below, and then we want to see, you know, price start to range before it can before it breaks out. So right now we just got to be patient. There's possible scalps that you can get in on, but it's in a no trade range for me, at least.
We got London opening 5 minutes.
Looks like gold will be back to 1786. Yeah, I agree. I see. If we start to close like this, I believe so. We could possibly more. You know, there's a higher probability that it'll go to the sells to the downside first. We could also be creating a higher low. You know, so.
Yeah.
So we got a 1785 is going to be a key area for me.
Wait, did you see the chart I sent you on gold?
You sent this 6 minutes ago. This one?
The first one, I think.
Oh, the first one that you sent early in the chat.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me go back. This one. That one, right?
I just like on gold. I don't see the high holding, so I do see us going up a little bit higher. That's why I said sales are not ready yet. And that area we most likely gonna accumulate a lot of orders. A lot of people gonna be buying after that high gets broken out. They're gonna basically, I mean, they're gonna most likely push price up to kind of give buyers hope that price is gonna continue up. Possibly react to one of these levels, and see a massive closer back below the zone. Massive selling pressure. So buys, I just don't see. I mean, buys I see right now short term. Sells, the reward on it is way higher. I mean, just think about it. Just think about even if you put like a small risk, how much you're able to make if price came down to like 1720, possibly 1660.
I'm just gonna be very careful if I'm gonna sell, just because I'm not trying to lose on a counter trend trade. You know, like yesterday I lost.
I mean, it's different. It's different. Like,
obviously,
like the way you trade is not gonna fit the same way I'm trading.
Yeah.
So it's not like, you know, I'm not really expecting you to take sales until you obviously see your confirmation.
Yeah. But I mean, I'm open to it because, you know, I'm not going to just have one bias, you know, so I'm open for the sales. What's up, Turkey Navy?
It was good.
What's up, brother? How are you?
Oh, everyone doing that? Everyone doing well?
Is there
a new week?
Still haven't gotten my computer, so I will get it. Hopefully tomorrow, bro. Or 2 days. I don't know why it's delayed. But for now, I'll be going to London until I get it.
I know a lot of people selling GG.
Black
Sold?
Eagle. It would be, so if we were to get on sells on gold, then I would be counter trend trading. If we're on buys, we're trading with the trend. You know, now we start to break market structure on the 4-hour time frame, then the market trend will obviously switch. But right now, we are in a bullish momentum. We're in a bullish trend, so you got to be careful. Wait for the sells to play out, you know, or wait for the buys to play out. If you're gonna sell, have your confluences. Damn, GG's looking pretty good.
For what? For buys?
I mean, candle closure, closing above this range. That's just one good confirmation for the buys. As if it's playing out, but
yeah, cause bro, sells would be risky now.
Too risky.
Cause of that rejection.
You can.
Let's see.
If you're a scalper, you could get in, you know, with good clean confirmations. If we reject this area of resistance, we could get in and scalp it all the way to the bottom of the range, you know. But
with the fact that we're
I'm not trying to be in a
30.
range. I'm trying to get caught in a range with choppy prices and.
I think it could sell.
Everybody's selling here. London is opening and London just opened. Watch this. Watch. if you see price run those highs,
No, I actually do think it's like that's some risky assets. I think we're about to get that whip on the 15.
Yeah.
Because now I'm again the 30-minute. Flat rejection to the upside. Right?
Yeah.
Came down back in the range. Now this previous candle on the 30-minute was basically pretty weak here. Now we're opening up red, right? So we could get that.
I think there's a very good chance we're gonna head under 166.030. But you never know. It's London open, so.
I think there is a big chance here for this one off.
take a sell.
No, my sells would have been at 166, 175, keeping stops above 166, 372. Now it's late for sells. But let's see, if we got a rejection back into the entry, then maybe. See here, I would have almost been hitting my take profit. But I think that. Oh, you gotta be patient.
Boom, liquidity grab.
Boom, yeah, there you go. Yeah, those are nice sells, bro.
Yeah, damn.
20 pips ran down in like 2 minutes, 1 minute.
20 pip stop loss. Would have been clean.
Yeah, we're 20 pips up. DJ's basically doing the same shit.
I mean, you can still catch it. You can wait for the
Yeah, I
retest.
can still catch it if keeping stops at 166, 183. Not bad either. But now we need to wait for retracement to 165, 980.
Only been 2 minutes. What, are you playing the music, Dr.?
Yeah, is it too loud?
Yeah,
No, that's cool.
I think it's a little low.
Yeah, I think you're being too loud. That was a little rude. Damn, bro. That would have been a nice trade, bro. But it's okay. You're gonna catch him soon.
Yeah, so it's still on 9 12.
30 pippers, 30 pipperettes. And I'm kind of glad it's the start of the the week. Well, I guess it was yesterday.
Month.
What do you mean month?
Yeah, awesome, man.
No, like new week. This is a new week. The month already
Oh
started.
yeah, I know, but also the month too.
Yeah, man, the month started like 5 days ago.
Still counts, we're still at the beginning.
No, the beginning is the first day. Come on now, Eric. I'm surprised you're even saying that. What?
Bro,
Eric, where's
what?
Eric at,
The
bro?
5th? No, but let's just be honest. Like, when somebody says the 5th, obviously you say it like the beginning of the month.
Yeah, I guess it's only been one. We're not even 1 week into the month, I guess.
Yeah, I feel like it's gonna be a good month in the market. It's gonna be a lot of volume.
Every day is a good month.
A lot of
Every month is a good month.
Yes, I agree. I truly agree to that.
A lot of accounts are gonna get blown.
Yeah, beginners.
Oh yeah, I could already see. Like I know because I was,
Bro, there's a lot of news.
I was that person. I was that rookie trader in the beginning where I was
yeah,
like planning my payout. You know, Christmas is coming up. I'm gonna make like so much money, like 5%, 10%, account blown, and I'm like, oh my god, Christmas sucks. Oh, those good old days. That's really what made me who I am today. I'm glad I had those days. Then we're getting some little volume in. 166. What would you? I think. What would you say is like a psychological area around here? 166, 165, 500, 165.
Gold is looking nice right now.
It's still in my no trade range though.
I wish I had a little bit more energy to it.
Dude, it's another thing. If I'm looking at a trade, I low key want. I'm only gonna risk profit money, so I'm only down to risk like 0.5% of my profits from today. There's nothing clean like with tight stop loss. I guess the risky buys. I'm not really down to get into risky buys again. Like it'd be like the same entry, different time if I were to get in here.
I think GJ's just retesting a drop. Look at the 15, 30 minute. It's retesting that breakout structure. Everybody's probably going to end up selling. I probably seeing momentum going down. But if you look at that 15, we broke that high right here at the left side. I think this could be just a retest to bounce back up high. We could push up a little bit lower, but that 167 023 high you see, I do see us coming up there.
You think we're gonna fly?
Yeah, I think we're gonna fly. Just remember, GJ could look bearish for 15 minutes, and the next 30 minutes could look bullish as well. It does that all the time.
I just feel like that 4 hour, bro. Like,
I mean, yeah, but think about it, bro. Like, look at the 4 hour. The 4 hour close in 1 hour. You know, there's a lot of things can happen in 1 hour. You can see the 4 hour flip bearish, and you can see it flip back bullish and closing up.
That 4 hour candle is making new bottom wicks right now, right? As you speak. Yeah, it is. Holy crap. Yeah, this next hour is gonna be interesting. Oh, it closes in 2 hours.
Exactly. So there's a lot of time. Like a lot of things can happen. We can come back, retest, play around, and push up. Obviously, like if you're looking to sell, you get like 20, 30 pips. You easily get that. It's a big range. But I'm obviously looking. I mean, think about it. If we go up to like 167, 023, that's a big range if you caught it at 165, 150.
See how many pips.
This is where I would.
Yeah, I mean, it's a big range. It just depends. Like, it just depends what type of trader you are. You know, do you want a big reward? Or are you targeting a better psychological area where you're looking to short it back down? You just want to get TP1, TP2, and get out of that. It just depends what type of trader you are. That's why I said, like, when I'm looking for sales of gold, it obviously didn't make sense for Dr. Pick. His system is different. He waits for different confirmation before he takes a buy, which I understand. Obviously, I'm not expecting him to have the same perspective as me. So that's the cool thing about trading. No right or wrong.
Facts.
Yeah, like that's how the game is. Like, I literally, even people who trade smart money, like there's no right or wrong. Pretty sure there's some people out there making money with that strategy, even though a lot of people might hate it. It just depends, you know, whatever fits you as a personality.
Look at all these rejections here that we're seeing back to back. It's more than one rejection.
I just feel like I just missed this big ass move, bro.
Yo.
Like, I was not prepared for London session today. Like, I forgot, like, how London session was, literally. Like, I just remember that London session, like, bro, it hits fucking 3 and then, like, shit starts going crazy. And honestly, I was more bearish than bullish. Can I find an entry here? I feel like this is where I would be getting out of size. Honestly. To be honest with you. Will I take buys? I don't know if I'll take buys here, bro. Honestly. Now, if we start seeing some nice rejection here to the bottom, and like weak bearish candles, then I can start like thinking about it. So I'm not even looking for buys or selling. Now for EJ, basically the same thing. But the night's not over yet. We can literally get a setup any moment here. We just have to be
wait till it gets to like 500 area.
Yeah, we just have to be aware.
Maybe just makes up. Maybe Gigi's just making like another. I don't know, man. A little low.
Yeah, I want to see what happens here.
Look how much reactions at that 500 area. It's a key psychological area.
500 is too.
And it's a quarter point area too.
It's too deep. I like the 750 area. I want to see what happens at the 750 area. Breaking these lows over here. If it gets down to 500, then bro, I'll be disappointed. But I do feel like we could reject around this area over here. And come back to the range. I have marked up here in my screen.
Daily closes in 13 hours. If that daily flips, oh lord. If that daily flips, I wouldn't even mind taking the trade because it'd be sort of like the same trade that I took on gold, where it's just wick filling. It can just potentially wick fill this whole candle. But that's a whole lot of patience there. Whoever got in here pretty good, got a good entry. Yo guys, I know my voice is a little messed up, so if you guys like can't really hear me, or if you guys need me to repeat something, let me know. It's like so scratchy.
Barbecue was lit.
Dude, I don't even have lemon. I have honey. I think I'm gonna do some honey and hot water after this live stream. Yo, thank you to all the 40 people who like this. There's like 61 of you guys. I think that's one of the most likes we've had for the London session. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for being here.
Yo, Dollar posted a poll saying that he might come back doing live streams. You guys excited for that? If he ever does it?
That'll be exciting.
Yeah.
I know a lot of people here has been missing him. He'll be back for you guys soon.
Oh yeah.
You know.
He said January 2nd.
Day after New Year's? Damn. New year, new live stream.
Nice.
Oh yeah, volume's kicking in right now, very hard. Let's see.
Moving.
Watch TV, bro.
Let's go to 15 minutes time.
Watch TV on the lower time.
Look, it did come down. It did come down here to the 100 area. Oh shit. 500 area here got lived. Very true.
Shit about to skyrocket.
You think it's gonna fly?
It's my opinion, bro. You know, it's irrelevant. It doesn't mean anything. I'm just saying the market is gonna do whatever it does. You know, I just don't see us.
I'll give you my opinion. I think it's gonna come around like the 900 area and reject that area and then start flipping. But I think it's gonna happen.
I sent a link, a chat, Zoom chat. Potentially what could happen.
I got you, brother.
Yeah.
This is a potential GJ outcome. Let's see what you see, brother. Oh, a whole lot of dollar signs.
It's liquidity, that's what it is. So it could just grab it. And also there's a couple of support levels on the left side, which is that blue box. So price could literally go there, which is a golden zone, plus a SMA confluence, plus a liquidity confluence. Could go there, tap it, start flying from there.
You and Eric trade similar, right?
Bro, that's literally how I'm seeing the part right now.
Come on, bro. Where the sellers at? Shit's about to fucking fly, bro.
This is why I don't trade London no more. It's crazy.
Bro, like I've been telling you guys, GJ likes to do that. It will fake you out without you even knowing.
It already hit the golden zone, so we could start seeing it fly now.
But this is a potential outcome with GJ that you have here. So you would be waiting to execute it here at this area, potentially.
Which area? The resistance or no?
Right here. I don't know. You have entries set up here.
Oh no, that's just that's not.
Oh.
That's Raul's buys.
I think we can start flipping here on our 50.
It just opened up. Little 17 pip candle. Yeah. I wonder what the 5 minutes looking like. I haven't been.
It's actually pretty small. Consider like a London opening candle. It usually be bigger than that. I remember GJ used to, like the London Open 1 hour candle, she used to like drop 100 pips right back then. It was so easy trading GJ back then, London Opening.
Oh, I remember that. That's crazy.
Just follow the trend, sell, write it down. Easy 100 pips.
Yeah, I remember that. I used to
now
10 pip stops. Now we can't do that.
Yeah. I'm telling you, that opening candle, just write it down.
Yeah.
You think it's neither. That boy Snap is too focused.
I think Snipes you there.
Yeah, he's too focused. No, we can't hear him, bro. It's your mic, bro.
No idea.
Yo.
You actually don't hear me? No.
Next week.
Oh shit.
Talk, Snipe. We can't hear you.
You actually can't hear me?
Talk?
Yo.
Here. What happened? What is disconnecting?
Dude, what the fuck? Now that's another problem.
What is it? Is it like the headphones, like the wire?
I don't fucking know, dude. It's literally like there's a different problem every day. I'm so glad I got my new computer. Dude, I don't know why, bro. It's the Macs, dude. Macs suck ass. Macs suck ass. How long have you been having for? For like 5 years, 6 years.
You can't get rid of it, bro. It's kind of like history.
No, I'm not gonna get rid of it because it still works. It just doesn't work for like live streaming and like going live.
Yeah.
And having like a lot of shit open or a bunch of monitors. Like it's not good for that. It's only good as just having it as a laptop. It's not a bad computer. It's just it's getting glitchy as fuck when you have a lot of shit open. Like Macs are not meant for this shit. That's why I got a PC. Yeah, but I wish I had a little bit more energy too. So fucking drained.
You got too lit?
Yeah, bro. I love trading so much that it's like, even if like I'm dying in the hospital, I'm still gonna like figure out the trades.
Bro, that would be so funny in 30-minute close bullish on GG.
Still going.
God damn.
Bro, the 30-minute close bullish is game over.
Oh, no, 30-minute closes, yeah, facts. I look, you would like to see.
A lot of people.
Is
a lot of
anybody
people were selling.
Who's in sales in the
and-
chat? Let us know if you're in sales or buys. Pretty curious to see who's on sales and who's in buys.
Put a poll in the chat.
Let me see.
No, I haven't seen him in a while. And
What?
I haven't seen him in a while. I think he just pulls up to Lucas stream now.
Who?
I haven't.
Oh. I think I don't know. I don't even know.
I don't know. It's true. Actually,
I don't even
no,
know
but
if
he
he's
did.
popping on.
He did pull up. I remember on.
Yeah,
in the chat.
he pulls up every now and then. It's
He
just,
checks in. He
I
usually
think-
checks in every day.
I think what he's just focused on himself because I think he said he was getting distracted with like the lives or something. Like,
That's
No,
right.
and also he traded different strategy.
Yeah.
Like he more confluence with Luca, so it makes sense. Like,
Yeah,
they both trade the same system.
yeah,
I mean, it makes sense.
That makes sense. That
Yeah.
makes sense.
he's the boy though. He's the boy.
It's like
I mean, I still
boys.
talk to him on the DM.
I feel bad. I haven't called him recently.
I talk to him on DM stuff. We do talk about stuff, dude. We've been chilling.
He's a great guy. Like if anybody follows Emmett on Instagram,
Emmett's
like,
chill for sure.
you guys can hit him up. And like, he's a good brother. Like,
I feel like Emmett.
There's nothing but love.
I feel like Emmett is that one friend, that mature friend. Like if you need anything, he will actually give you like from just like an older experience in life. You understand more.
KD, I'm sorry my chart's a mess, bro. It's just how I like my chart. I have my ranges here. If you want to understand my chart, I could help you understand my chart. But I just pretty much have my range areas: risky buys, safe buys, no trade range, risky sells and safe sells, and I have them colored in different colors, just so I can know, so I can differentiate, and just so I can have some better, so I can just color coordinate them. And then how these areas right here is just where price has rejected multiple times. So I'll just circle it out just to point it out. I know I'm just pointing out the obvious, but believe it or not, to me it just helps. I'm a visual trader. I like seeing my chart. I like seeing everything. If I have to label things, I'll label them. It's just the way that I trade best. But sorry if it's distracting to you, brother. It's just the way that I trade. There's a lot of volume to the downside. But what it seems, yeah, but let's see. 30-minute closes in 5 minutes. I don't think it's gonna close bullish. But yo,
EJ is looking nice on the 30 minutes.
let me see.
Can you check EJ real quick, JB?
I got you.
Should have taken tomorrow to rip the fuck up.
Oh. Look, this chart might be a little bit nicer for you. Less things in your way. 60 viewers, let's go. Sales held through some nasty drawdown, but I'm back at break even. Sheesh. What are you gonna do, Juan? Are you gonna pay your? Are you just gonna close at break even? Are you gonna hold? Just manage your trade, brother. Hopefully you win. I'm rooting for you. So more people are in sells than buys. Well, I hope both sides win if it's possible. You know.
I hope, bro. I mean, the market is only one side, bro.
Yeah, I know. It's very hard.
I'm feeling though. You're trying to be positive.
Yeah, you know. I don't want to wish any bad energies upon anybody. You know, hopefully, like, it goes to like 1 pip away from stop loss and it just reverses and hits take profit, and then, you know, hopefully that take profit isn't somebody's stop loss, and then they can comfortably hold it, and then it just reverses and hits take profit. I don't know. I'm just trying to be for the people.
I'm not gonna lie to you boys. I think I'm gonna come here and take people's stop loss here. I'm looking for buys here on EJ.
It's at 50-50 right now. 50% buys and 50% sells. Sheesh.
I'm looking for EJ to come down to 142, 413, 415. If it comes down, retraces over here, which is already flying.
Oh wait, EJ looks like that shit's heading straight to 143.
Just wait for a candle. Just wait for a candle closure. Just 2 minutes on the 30-minute.
No, I'm waiting for it to go to 142, 413, 0.15. Give me a 20 pip stop loss right under that wick. You guys see it on the 30-minute.
Look at that 15-minute bullish.
If price doesn't come down there, then I'm not getting in buys. I'm looking for buys here. I actually don't think
that
it
1
could
hour
come down.
You don't think that 1 hour could potentially wick fill this previous candle?
On the 1 hour?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for buys.
It's looking pretty clean.
I'm just trying to get that perfect entry. Turkey Navy space was exactly what I'm talking about here. And I'm pretty sure Eric knows what it's like.
Yeah, absolutely. I know. I actually do understand what's coming. GJ is accumulating under the lower time frame. She's about to rip. Already calling it.
I'm so sad that it's.
I respect everybody on sales. You know, I hope it plays out for you, like Dr. Biff said. But
well, there's 20.
I'm holding my buys.
So there's 20 votes. Oh, 21 votes. Now it's 52 at 48.
To be honest with you, like I low key like it might sound like weird, but I low key like when people against what I'm looking for.
That's what you want, Eric. You want everyone to
you know, like respectfully, like not even trying to sound cocky or anything. I just like when people see something else, and I just feel like it's fine if I'm wrong, even if I'm wrong. I just like that feeling, you know. It just makes me feel like, okay, if I'm right, then that means I saw something most people didn't see. So it's just a good feeling.
Yeah.
I mean, I feel like that's literally what trading is about, you know. When you win, it's just that feeling of being right. It's not about how much you made. I feel like it's literally why trading is addictive. It's like a pleasure, you know. You want to win every day.
Yeah. Dr. Snipes, you taking the 142 for 15 entry, right? On EJ?
Yes, I'm still gonna take it.
I'm seeing that. I think it's good.
Yeah, if you're on the 15-minute, we close you and then we start getting a rejection. Next candle starts here getting a rejection. We get that perfect sniper entry here on that next 15-minute candle. That's what I'm waiting for.
It's a good one. It's a good one here.
Yeah. Other than that, I really don't see anything.
We could swing it even. We could put stops over even we're comfortable at.
To be honest with you, if you guys got in that EJ buy, I feel like 143 is really not really unrealistic. You know, pretty expected.
This 15-minute just opens. If it comes down to 142 or 0.13, then I'm getting it.
What's your entry? So wait, 142.13.
Yeah.
Yeah, that 15-minute candle bullish, massive volume behind.
What would be your take, Bob? Oh, you left. 20 pip. Whoa.
Somebody said gold is ranging. Yeah, I do see that, like Dr. Pip mentioned on the daily. Kind of
If he said 142, 413.
Oh, 413. I never understand this shit. $20 pip stop loss, right?
Yep. Yeah, if it doesn't go down there, then
That's crazy. Bro,
that'll suck.
Yeah. But I feel like if you do enter at 415 or 413, we're not gonna have many drawdown.
Yeah, me neither. I actually don't think we're gonna. Or we might have like maybe 5, but I honestly don't think that like we'll have that much drawdown. And if we do, then like, bro, you guys have to hold the drawdown. The last trade we took, we holded a 17 pip drawdown and we ended up winning. So whatever you do, don't get out of the trade if you guys are in, unless it's your stop loss or take profit. Lesson learned. Last trade was a lesson learned plus a win. Think about that.
Sheesh. You profited just off learning.
Literally.
Shit.
SMA, bro. Tap that SMA on the 15.
Wait, are you waiting for it to push below low?
Yeah. So I can have a 20 pip stop loss under the fat wick.
Hopefully, cause if that thing flips.
Yeah, if it flips, I think we might be fucked up. I think it's just looking nice here, like for people who want to get in buys like impulsively. I think it's just looking nice for that right now.
Damn.
But I think you should be getting in with the whales. The whales are the people who are the patient traders. They actually have a strategy, and they're not just getting in just because it looks nice or it looks like it's about to flip. You see, it looked like it was about to flip. Look out where we're at now. Right, so you have to be patient and get in exactly where you want to get in. Not like, okay, I'm gonna get in here because I think no. It's what you see. No.
Boy, somebody said my boy.
So.
So more buyers and sellers at the moment. 31 volts. That means, sheesh.
There's more buyers right now on GJ?
Yes. Let's see. Let's
telling you, we're accumulating a lot of orders on the lower time. Shit's bad. Rip. Hopefully you get your setup too, Snipes. You catch that EJ with it.
Yo guys, type in your entry, guys. Whoever's on the GJ buys, type in your entry. Don't be ashamed if you're in drawdown. It doesn't matter. It's part of the game. And if you're in profit, just put it out there. I'm curious to see where you guys entered. If you guys are entering, you know, at the end of the day, everybody entered for a reason, you know. So you guys, I'm just curious. Look, I'm low-key bullish on GJ, so I would like to see a retest. Tap back over here into this trend line and then continue to melt. I just want to see. I just don't know if this trend line is. I think this trend line is pretty valid. we have a breakout of the trend line, wait for the retest, you know, wait for the retest to pull back, and then we could potentially see price come back down to the downside. So 165,098. Oh, so you got in at the bottom. Eric, so you got in around here, and you have a re-entry.
And no, I scaled in.
Oh. One Zapata, 165,900.
Yeah, it was scaling.
Oh my God, it's leaving without us.
What's bleeding? Your JPY?
Yeah.
You got in the buys?
We're not in yet.
Oh.
I mean, that's how it be sometimes, bro.
What do you mean bleeding? It's not bleeding. Why
No,
did it like melt and then go back
it's
up?
leaving. No, it's leaving without us.
Oh.
It's leaving without us.
Yeah.
Well, the bus never came.
Nope.
It's fine. It still has a chance.
I think we just missed. I wasn't even looking at EJ, at your JPO. I wasn't even looking at it. But I don't treat London like that. I would focus more on New York.
Yeah.
It is what it is.
That's how it be sometimes, you know, like price won't come where you want to buy, it just takes off. But I mean, it's fine, like it's not a big deal, you know. You always get another opportunity.
Big facts.
Yeah, it sucks. They didn't have that big retracement, but well, what are we gonna do?
Watch GJ though.
Entry's not valid because now it already hit the 20 pips take profit. Well, it's about to hit.
GJ is about to rocket launch.
GJ? Let me see what's going on here. Ooh, I like GJ.
You like GJ. What's GJ doing? He's just looking nice.
It looks like it wants to come back into the ring right now.
Little indecisive candle right now at the moment. It literally feels like GJ's like in a tug of war, but oh shit. Gold is just staying in this little range. I don't think I'm not gonna trade gold tonight. There's nothing there. It's just in a range. I'm not down to get in this range or trade it from bottom to top. What I would like to see gold do is, if it's gonna reject, I would like to see it reject at this area, 1795 area, to possibly come back up and make a new high. But I think if I were to trade gold, I would probably want to trade gold right here on 1810. I think that's a nice safe area for me. You know, I wouldn't mind trading at that area. Trading it here, or trade it here.
I mean, GJ was a good example. Like, we saw a bearish candle. Everybody was anticipating sells, jumped in. Right now, we see buyers getting back in control. Sometimes when you see something too many times, it just clicks.
Facts.
Yeah.
1785 would be like that golden area on gold. It's like that.
I mean, like I said, there
like
is
the
still
buys.
upside potential. So buys are more favorable.
What's your guys' thoughts on Bitcoin?
Bitcoin.
Yeah.
Bullish.
Bitcoin. Yeah.
Who's buying Bitcoin here?
When everybody's scared to buy, you buy. Remember that,
bro.
Because if Bitcoin goes up to 60, everybody's gonna be like, oh,
there's
it
no
was a
way
scam.
I'm buying
The
Bitcoin
only
at this point. Well, you know what?
reason I would buy is if I was like leaving it for like 20 years. Not
That's
touching.
the whole point. It's like the people who play long term will always win. Remember that.
Like Bitcoin 1 year from now, it's not going to be like that high. It's not going to be worth it. It's
I mean, as soon as you invest, you shouldn't be really worried about the money, you know. But remember, when price is going up, everybody buying at 40, 50K, 60K. And we see this downtrend, and the people who buy at the high get clapped. Basically, the people who buy at the high are going to pay for the people who buy at the low.
Yeah, and
this is how the game is, you know. And when Bitcoin lowers right now, everybody's saying it's a scam. Everybody's saying this, and then when it goes back up, everybody's gonna be like, "Oh, I missed it." Yeah. It's just how the game always been. Same thing with the stock market. People buy high and they sell low, which it doesn't make sense, but
bro, I know
that's
people.
just how it is.
Bro, it's crazy. I know people who shorted Bitcoin. Like that's crazy.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, the 50, 60, there's a lot of people who obviously saw the shorts.
But that's a deep.
Let's be honest. When you saw it reach 60K, you knew that it was gonna come down. You know?
Isn't that crazy? From 65,000 all the way to fucking 17,000. Imagine.
But that's a deeper trace. That's deep as hell, bro.
Whoa.
What was that?
Remember, everybody lost, everybody losing. They're done buying Bitcoin. That's when the big boys jump in. They jump in at discount.
And
they rally it up all the way to high. Bro, trust me, like Bitcoin, if you just understand just the whole system and why it's built and what's the purpose behind it, you'll understand that this definitely is a long term. Who knows what's going to be long term, but it's going to be something big. It's just how I look at it. Or just let's just say the crypto market industry is going to be something big. Because think about it, like when the internet came out, everybody was, you know, spectacle about it. It takes time for people to accept something new. Just remember that. Same thing with the stock market when it started, Google, iPhone when they came out with cameras. They came out with phones with touchscreen. Anything new, people take time for them to actually accept it. So it's normal for me to actually see that people are scared to buy Bitcoin. I mean, think about it. A lot of people lost their houses when Bitcoin was crashing down. So a lot of people were using their Bitcoin assets against their, basically mortgage loans. The banks were allowing that. They were basically accepting crypto as an asset.
You know what's pretty good that I saw in a video that explains what's to protect yourself against inflation? Fine art. And it's only been going up. Like fine art, like just fucking art paintings and.
I mean, that's basically NFT.
Yeah, but look what the fucking.
In a way, it is.
NFTs are down.
It's basically NFTs more digital. and the art in real life is more physical.
I'd rather buy a painting than buy a fucking NFT. I'll tell you that.
I'm just saying though, it's kind of the same concept, the same purpose, it's just different transactions.
I agree.
But I do understand what you mean. It's definitely a lot of money long term.
I've been looking for a painting. If there's anybody here in the
It depends though.
it
It depends with like what painting you go with.
Yeah. If there's anybody in the YouTube chat that's an artist and does paintings, like shoot me a DM. Maybe I'd be down to buy your art. You know. I've been like looking to fucking just stock up on a whole bunch of art.
And GJ said bye bye.
Alright, bro. I didn't get a fucking entry on anything, dude.
Everybody's getting clapped.
Good shit, Eric. Good shit, Eric.
Damn.
Bro, trust me. I'm no special. No special than any other trader. The only difference is I've seen this so many times. It's just, it's the same thing, bro. Like the market does the same thing over and over. Like you always want to understand that. Okay, what's the highest probability most traders gonna enter at, and why they're looking to sell at that area? Sometimes you gotta kind of study other traders to see what most traders actually would do in these type of scenarios. Doesn't necessarily mean that you want to copy the same thing they're doing, but in a way, just understand why they're looking at that and what's the possibility of the market taking them out for actually doing a certain push. But I mean, it just comes with experience, bro. Nothing. You just gotta pay the time, you know. That's one thing. Like, it doesn't matter what mentor you have. You can't buy experience. You have to put in the time. Okay. Yo, Snipe, are you talking?
No, I'm not.
Why are you not talking? Are you focused? Are you in a position or what?
Now that I'm here, fucking.
What happened with EJ? I know that shit's ripping.
I didn't get an entry, bro. I'm looking a little. I'm not mad, but it's like I'm disappointed that I just didn't get my entry by like 3 bits. You feel me? I could have won the trade.
3 pips.
Yo, but my guy, why?
That 3 pips is crazy, bro. 3 pips is pretty crazy.
Bro, you would have gotten in. Spreads would have gotten you in.
Yeah, if you had a buy stop, buy little.
Seriously, spreads were not even. I'll tell you, it was 3.8 pips.
That was no draw now, bro.
Spreads on FTMO are like 1 pip.
Yeah, I guess those 3 pips do matter, I guess, because then your stop loss is gonna have to be like 3 pips as well, and then it's not as.
Yeah, I didn't think it was gonna retrace, but sometimes it just doesn't do it to you. I'm pretty sure the markets are watching this right now. So. They're like, all right, like let's not give this guy.
Yeah, I'm looking gonna call it a night, guys. Gold has been ranging the whole night. Hasn't played out. We called the dub for the Asian session. So Asian session we caught something. Yeah, guys, we'll see you tomorrow. Thank you everybody here, all you 60 viewers, everybody who liked it, everybody who pulled up to the Zoom live. Appreciate you guys. So have a good night, guys. Looking to rest up. Hopefully, I'm gonna drink some honey and hot water so I can try to like get my throat better. It's like so itchy. Peace out, guys. Love you guys all.
Later, bro. Peace out, boys.
Let me stop sharing this.
Later.
Peace out,
If I see anything, I'll let you guys know.
Peace out, Alfredo.
Yo, Dr. Pip.
Yo.
Dr. Pip, make sure you focus on your diet, bro. Promise me that.
I'll promise you that. I'm just focused.
Bro, it's for you, bro.
No, I've been eating
You're only
better.
doing it for you. You're not doing it for me, bro.
I've been eating way better.